Hi, I'm Dr. Barto, owner of Barto Family Chiropractic and Pittsburgh East's favorite family chiropractor. And today I wanted to share with you 3 stretches to help alleviate your low back pain during pregnancy. Now, all 3 of these stretches are going to focus on some of the muscles that support the pelvis throughout pregnancy. And so by helping you balance out these muscles, the idea is that we can start to alleviate some of the discomforts that often come with pregnancy. The first stretch I'd like to show you is going to target the psoas. The psoas is a muscle that attaches into the low back, wraps underneath the uterus, and attaches into the front of the pelvis. One of the reasons why it becomes so tight is because we spend a lot of time in our day-to-day in a seated position. And so over time, that muscle can become shortened. And it can become imbalanced when we do things like crossing our legs. So a really simple way to help open up and lengthen the psoas is just by doing a runner stretch. So you just want to open your legs up wide, put your hands on your pelvis, and then lean forward. So you don't just simply like move forward, but you want to sink your pelvis into it, open up your, tilt your hips back, and really move your pelvis into that so you can feel that long stretch right along that hip flexor. The second stretch I want to show you is going to target the piriformis, which is a muscle right across the bum. So for this stretch, it's really easy. You can either do it from a lying position if you're on your back. We're going to show you how to do it while you're seated. So while you're seated, you want like a nice firm chair. Try to avoid the couch or a recliner. So you might want to use like a kitchen chair for this. And while you're seated, you want to take one leg, cross your ankle over your other knee, and with this stretch, just lean forward. Now you want to be careful that you're not just bending forward, but you want to lean forward at the hips. And as we lean forward, you should feel a nice stretch right across your bum. And you just want to hold that for a few seconds until any discomfort you feel in there starts to relax. The last stretch I want to show you is what we call a figure 8 movement. Now this is more of a motion, much less of a stretch and more of a motion, just to get movement through these structures of the low back. And so you can do this anytime you're standing, if you're standing in line at the grocery store or anywhere, and you can do it just by simply moving your hips back and forth in a figure 8 movement, and you want to move it in both directions. To get a bit of a deeper stretch, you'll need something like a counter or a chair to lean over, and you can just hold on to it or lean down on your elbows and sink your hips into it, and it's really like you're doing a hula hoop, and you're rocking those pelvis in a figure 8 motion. And when you do this, you want to make sure that you're opening it up in both directions. Now, this is especially helpful for any discomfort in the lower lumbar spine, and if your low back just gets stiff and tight, you want to do that to help open it up.